Hey everyone, Chuck here with Frank Bacon Machinery. Let me show you a nice little Satec T5000 that we just recently finished up. These are a really nice little machine. It's probably the most bang for your buck that we offer. A tiny little frame, but it's still got a 5,000 pound capacity and a great price point. They're a nice little machine. It's a Satec, but Satec was actually acquired by Instron in the same time frame that they were making this unit. So it kind of does have that Instron quality, but it does meet a really good price point for most customers. This is a full servo system with our M-Test Quattro software, and they're doing strictly compression testing. We fitted it with some nice little compression platens here, and obviously our full new electrical console. Housed within this machine is a brand new AC servo motor. And if you come over to the electrical console, you can see that we have all brand new electronics in here. New AC drive. Everything in there is completely new and assembled by our electrical engineers here at Frank Bacon Machinery. So right behind this machine, we actually had the same unit being built for a different customer. We fitted this with brand new 3-point bend fixture for some of their testing. It just goes to show how many of these we're processing. They really are such a great price point and pretty high demand with a lot of our customers. We're doing a lot of them lately. The price point, the small load frame, and the decent capacity is really, the Frank Bacon difference here. Reach out if you're ever interested in the T5000.